Now we will study about the costocervical trunk. Costocervical trunk arises from the posterior part of the subclavian artery. In the left side, it arises from the first part, and the right side, it arises from the second part. As it rises, it forms loop around the apex of the lung and go posteriorly. In the posterior part, it divides into the deep cervical artery, which runs upward behind the transverse process of cervical vertebra, and the superior intercostal artery, which runs anterior to the uh, first and second ribs. In the first and second ribs, the superior intercostal artery gives the posterior intercostal, first and second posterior intercostal artery, as you already read in the thorax. In this picture, you see the costocervical tongue. Lung is not seen here. So this is costocervical tongue, which divides into the deep cervical branch. It runs behind the transverse process of the cervical vertebra. It gives branches to the surrounding muscle, and it gives one spinal. Also, it gives one spinal artery which enters through the intervertebral foramen present between the C7 vertebra and T1 vertebra, which supplies the spinal cord. And as we told earlier, this is the superior intercostal artery, which gives first and second posterior intercostal artery.